Hi everybody, Molly here at So-and-so's Place again. All right, now we're going to be working on this little Janome. It's a Magnolia 7330. And this machine is a little bit more of a mechanical machine, low shank. I've already taken the presser foot off and I've taken the needle out because I just wanted them out of the way, give me a little more room to work. And I've started loosening the screw here. And it's a little bit of a tight spot to get into, so I wanted to go ahead and get that started. And you can see this is just kind of back and round and round and round. And this one's being used with some polyester thread, and polyester is a little bit on the dusty side. And I'm sitting everything over here off to my right. Let's see here. And I'm trying this from a different angle, hoping it will help y'all see a little bit better. I know that last video I did was not a great angle. Okay, so I'm looking back here and I don't see a whole lot of dust. Oh, there's a little bit. All right, so I've got my cleaning cloth here and I'm just going to brush that right off. Alrighty, so that's done. I'm going to sit this over to the side here. You can see I'm just sitting it off. Okay, now right here, this is your little shuttle that your bobbin sits in, and I'm going to gently lift it out. All right, so we talked about this the other day, and you can see the dust really gets down in there. Can you see all that? And then on the underside, look how the dust just builds right up in there. So I'm going to clean all of that out. Look at this. I'm going to pause for just a second and go grab a tissue. Hang on.